Maybe you don't know yet how to blow into the trumpet, how to make your lips vibrate, what the fingerings are. We are here to learn. In this video, your goal is to play your 5 first notes in the trumpet and produce it in the right way. We'll go through 5 simple steps. First, how to hold your instrument. 2. How to breathe. 3. How to make your lips vibrate. 4. How to move between high and low notes. And your last steps is to learn the 5 notes. Even if you are a total beginner, you can do it. And before we begin, I prepared a free sheet music guide for you. It's including the fingerings for the 5 notes, plus extra practice exercise. It will help you to memorize the notes and train your fingers. Let's start with your left hand. Place your thumb here, then your ring finger will go into the ring. You should be able to hold your trumpet with only your left hand. Now for your right hand, you just have to put your fingers into the valves and press down the first joint of your fingers. Here's a tip when you start to play your first exercise or melodies. Exaggerate your fingers movement. Don't be afraid to press hard. This prevents slow fingers changes and helps you build muscle memory. Keep your upper body relaxed. The tension should only be in your abdominals area and around your embouchure corners. You blow actively but without forcing. You can practice blowing with a steady, straight airstream. Your breath should be long and stable. First, tuck in the red part of your lips. It will help reduce fatigue. Second, place the mouthpiece on your lips. And 3, create the opening so the air can make your lips vibrate. If you notice your trumpet is angled too high, just bring your jaw forward slightly. Now, blow in the trumpet like we did before. You should hear a note like this, or like this. As you've seen, you can play different notes on the trumpet. So how do you go higher or lower? Only with your lips. To go higher, move your lips inward. To go lower, move your lips outward. Make sure your embouchure stays firm and controlled. You can practice this with just the mouthpiece. Hold it like this with your left hand and produce a long sound. Now go up by bringing your lips inward. Keep your air steady, don't blow harder, and don't press the mouthpiece into your lips. To compensate, imagine pulling the mouthpiece away and playing a little softer. Now let's go downward the lower register. It's time to play the 5 notes. Just a reminder, if you want to remember the fingerings, you can grab the free sheet music in the description below. We'll start with low C. Use your ear to match the pitch I play. If your note sounds too high, remember to move your lips outward. To help get a lower note, you can blow slightly harder. Okay, now let's add the D. The fingering is 1 and 3, and pull the third valve slide. Then we add E, fingering 1 and 2. Next is F. Use the first valve. And finally G. Open, no valves. Great job! If you want to practice these 5 notes, I've added a set of exercises to build your confidence. You will find the sheet music in the description under this video.